Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to make Facebook private. First of all, open up the Facebook app. Then tap on top menu icon. Click on the gear icon to access settings. Look for privacy checkup and tap on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage your privacy settings. Tap on who can see what you share. Continue through the prompt. In the first step, you can choose who can see your contact information, such as phone number, email, hometown, and current city. To hide sensitive information, select Only Me. From the drop-down menu, click Add to proceed. In the next step, choose the default audience. You can select from Public, Friends, Friends Accept, or Only Me to limit visibility. For stories, follow a similar process to set your preferred audience. If you want to limit the visibility of past posts, click Add a Limit and then choose who can see past posts. Block someone by tapping on the respective option. Search for the user, add block next to their name, and confirm the action. You can block multiple users by repeating the process. After completing these steps, your profile is now more private. If you enjoyed this video, and share your comments or questions below.